friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I'm here with another delectable recipe of Achari Chicken or Achari Murg. This is a Pakistani recipe of Achari Chicken which I've learned from my cousin's wife, who's a wonderful chef. And trust me, the flavors, the bursting flavors of that pickle, which says it as Achari Chicken, they are so good. And the best part of this recipe, it's very simple to make with minimal ingredients. So do give a try on this lovely recipe. I'm sure you all will love it. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients, what we need to make this lovely recipe. I have taken 1 kg of chicken cut into medium curry size pieces, washed and drained well. 3 large onions finely sliced, which weighed around 450 grams. And I have taken 10 green chilies cut into slits. I like it spicy, so I have taken 10. You can take anything between 6 to 8. 1 cup of dahi or yogurt, thick one. Half cup of vegetable oil. And then 1 teaspoon of methi dana or fenugreek seeds. And 1 teaspoon of saunf or fennel seeds. And 1 teaspoon of Nigella seeds, which we also call as black seeds or Kalonji, which is really good for health. And 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and coriander leaves half cup finely chopped, and salt will be as per your taste. So let's begin with the recipe. Here I have taken the oil in a non-stick kadhai or a wok and adding the sliced onions. Make sure you finely slice the onions so that it gets golden brown quickly. And here I was frying them till now. You can see it's translucent and on the sides are brown, so you have to wait till it gets golden brown, not completely brown, just golden brown like I've shown now. Once onions were fried, I added the chicken pieces. Make sure you always drain well the chicken pieces so that it doesn't leave water. And here I was frying it for 2 minutes, and then I added the ginger garlic paste and salt. Mix it well for about 2 minutes more. And turmeric powder, again a mix. I'll be adding the red chilli powder now and giving it a good mix. Mix it well. This is on the medium flame, not on high. And once all these turmeric, chili, salt and ginger garlic paste has mixed well, close the lid and let this simmer, cook for around 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, see how it looks. The chicken is fried well. And then I'm adding the yogurt. Make sure you whip the yogurt and it doesn't have any lumps. After adding the yogurt, you'll close the lid and cook till the chicken is 80% done. You can see the oil on the sides. No problem, we'll be removing it later. Here I have added the green chilies, Kalonji, Methi and the saunf all together to this. This is the magic ingredients. The pickle flavor now is all over the kitchen. And after adding these ingredients, I just closed the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes till the chicken was cooked well. And then here, after adding the coriander leaves, I'll be turning off the flame, and here is your lovely thick achari chicken ready. And trust me, the flavors are so good that this will surely be added into your favorite list, and you'll be making it again and again, I'm sure about this. This can be served with anything like ghee rice, white rice or roti, naan, perfect for anything. Do give a try on this and leave your comments below if you liked it or not. Do not forget to share it with your family and friends. Also do hit the like button. And coming to our extra points, just the tip that you can always add more water to the gravy and adjust the consistency of the gravy as per your requirement. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would love to share it on my feed. And also do not forget to hit the like button on my Facebook page. I hope till now you all have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.